We've just acquired this very rare and popular BMW diesel. It's the M Sport with the full M Sport body styling kit, the bigger wheels, the larger rear diffuser, finished in the beautiful Estoril blue. It looks in fantastic condition. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the special M Sport interior with the blue stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, sport seats at the front. It's got Bluetooth phone prep, air conditioning, 6-speed gearbox, different driving style modes, AUX and a USB. At DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.